Where's the bird? Where's the bird?
Upo na po sila para maka-load po yung nasa
Port,
Sir, upo na po tayo. Mag-start na po.
5? No? Port 10, I think. Oh no, it's Port 11.
Images of birds and flying soaring through the sky.
We're still waiting. I don't see
Flying is not the
anyone.
only skill they know. So, join us today as we show you a glimpse of how shooting music
Where are they talking?
these birds
Where
are.
are they talking?
Sir, upo na po tayo. Mag-start na po yan. Salamat po.
Don't rotate it. Just stay it in the place where the birds.
There,
Oh,
they're
there,
starting.
they are.
Let us all welcome our flag raising bird, Chaco. Chaco is our Malukan cockatoo, scientific name for Apollosis.
I'll do
These
it.
birds can
Just
fly
one. You
in
just enjoy.
Indonesia, and they are the largest among the white cockatoos. Come on, Chaco. There you go, the show has officially started. Our round of for Chaco, with trainer JD. Hello everybody, and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, trainer Mikey. Now, for our next featured birds are just like any married couple. Monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, right? But, as any couple will attest, in a relationship, there will always be battle. Meet Sassy and Rocky are the founder of Bring Bring Maha. And today, they will battle it out to see who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be inviting you into two girls.
Guys, look at this.
All the girls from
Subscribe
cheer
if you
for
think this
Sassy. Come on,
going to get
girls,
full
get
later.
ready.
Subscribe if you think that you're going to get exciting later.
Rocky! Rocky! Okay, birds ready? Cheers, ready, set, go!
Hey, subscribe.
Here's two of them first ball, followed only
Subscribe
by
while
another one for Rocky.
subscribe.
And it's outside, and for the last ball, Rocky wins! Trainer Rochelle, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time. Hold it, we want another race. They want another race, Trainer Mark.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I want the
Airplane.
And
Is
what
that
is
part
the
of the
race?
show?
The first bird who can grab ratings into the
Stop
pole,
it,
the
the
fastest
show.
is the winner. And that is the ring race. So the ring race it shall be. Remember that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's show louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again. And this time our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Rockman's first ring. Another ring for Rocky. Okay, what's happening? Sassy pick up the 3 rings at the same time. Hold on, set. And the winner is Sassy. Senior Mark, what can you say about that? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, you cheated? No, you didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain. Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? Alright, applause for Sassy and Rocky, Trainer Rochelle, and Trainer Mark. Parrots are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's right. We continue to enhance their skills and not to get bored. Here's Sassy once again, and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting a shape back to its correct slot. Just like Sassy, Brendan McCaws from South America.
subscribe,
They are known to be the
please,
general
and
giants
watch
of the
that
Parrot
awesome
family. It is
And
because
also,
they are the
there will
second
be a
largest
reveal
next to the highest of fox. They
Lion.
can grow up to 92 centimeters in
Lion
length
show.
and live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachlorifera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks. And for the last shade, and there you go, that's right. Around what we can see with Trainer Shop. edition, right? Well, this next part of the program will leave most people baffled and amazed. Even as trainers, do you think birds can do that? But before we call in our mathematical wizard, I'll be leaving two numbers between 1 to 15 and numbers between 1 to 15. Okay, so the first one will be number
They
7.
speak English.
How about the second number? Okay, so the second number is number 10. So the equation is 7 plus 10. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. But first, Trainer Mark will shuffle the numbers.
How much postage do you use when you know? What's the chance it will snow when you get?
And now let's call Hagrid Papa Rocky. Wow, look at that. What a beautiful entrance. Trainer Mark is ready. Go Rocky, solve the equation for us.
And we all shout hurrah as he confirms what Fairmont jotted.
And Rocky gets the first number correct. But how about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers. Oh, he's calculating. Come on, Rocky, you can do it.
Yes, try it.
And Rocky gets the... Oh, it's wrong. Come on, Rocky, you can do it.
Counting sheep when you're trying to sleep.
And it's the number 7. So 7 plus 7 is equals to 17. A round of applause for Rocky the Trainer Mark. So this time, guys, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Once again,
Is it nice, guys?
with 500 peso bill.
Comment below if you like it.
Who wants to be our lucky volunteer for today? Just raise your hand, and my co-trainer will choose one. Okay, you got one. You will notice the words in our show are mostly parrots. It is because they are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically inclined. And they can remember even the smallest details. Hi, sir. Good afternoon. Welcome to Manila Ocean Park. Sir, what is your name?
My name is Frederick.
How about a round of applause against Mr. Frederick? Okay, now sir, can you have the money? Now sir, all you have to do is stand right here. Facing this way, extend your left arm just like this. As I put your money between your fingers. Now sir, do you have an idea what will happen next? An idea?
My 500 peso bill will disappear.
There's so many airplanes here. There's another airplane is in the show.
What is also our Maluga Taxi? My flies over!
Oh wait, the
He
color
gets the money and flies back. And I think Roger will donate the money. Sir, before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds?
I don't know that.
Well, now you know your money will go a long, long way. We are very, very grateful. You may now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Anyone else? How about 1,000 pesos for this time? Anyone? 1,000? No more? Sir Frederick, excuse me. Are you okay?
Yeah, do they
You
do
sure?
that?
You look so sad.
Do they do that?
Sir, we're just waiting in some part of the show. Please come back here in front and we will give your money back. Sir, Buddy
Do they
saying
all know
something.
birds?
Before Buddy gives your money back, Buddy wants to give you a kiss. Is that okay? Okay, all you have to do is stand right here, look at the camera, and offer your cheek. Wow, sweet. How about on your hand? Just open your palm, look at the camera, and smile. And now, sir, there is
That was
your
so
money.
awesome.
A round of applause for our lucky guest. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you've met our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of bird here at Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey are also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. The term raptors came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by their keen vision that allows them to detect prey during flight. They also have powerful talons and beaks. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left. Presenting our moving eagle owl, here comes Hope. Scientific name is Momo Protexis. These birds can found in Bohol, Samar, Linan, Catanduanes, and possibly in Sibuyan. And that's all welcome our remedy guy, here comes Shadow. They are locally known as Lawi or Bandok in Visayas region. And now let's all welcome our chickens. Wow, look at that. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons doesn't eat homing emoji, meaning they will generally return to its nest and mate. Our runabout are raptors, chickens, and our homing pigeons. Here at Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We all not try to take care of our birds in the sea, but for also who are in land and air as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So here's Buddy once again, and he will show us the proper waste disposal. See, if our lovebirds can do it, we believe that so can everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we all hope we enjoy their show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in their own way, no matter how small the efforts, let's take action and save them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's all go our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only home we've got. Now let me present to you the bird trainers who make the show possible. Trainer April with Shadow. Trainer Rochelle with Hope. Trainer Mark with Buddy. And once again, I'm Trainer Mikey. Thank you and goodbye. By the way, guys, please remain in your seat because we still have a sea line show. And please do not cross the yellow line.
Okay, ready for the...
Let's put this on for the lion show, another round na pod.
Yeah, so goodbye. This is Spot 11 going off. Bye.